More news that we are following, where a big breaking development has been reported from Pulwama, where two terrorists have been gunned down by our security forces, and the operation is now has gotten over now, where we are getting a confirmation in Pulwama today as well. Yet another encounter has been reported. Yesterday it was in Tral and in Pulwama, where Jaish-e-Mohammed terror has been crushed in Pulwama area, where this encounter that has been reported, we are getting to know that the operation is over and two terrorists, we're getting to know, have been gunned down. Zeenat is with us to give us more details. So Zeenat, even yesterday encounter that was reported in Tral, today in Pulwama, we are getting to know two terrorists have been neutralized by our security forces. Tell us more about this operation.
Oh yes, Amita, that's what we are picking from the sources, is that the two militants have been neutralized by the security forces at Kangan, Pulwama. The operation was carried by Army 55 RR along with CRPF and also SOG Pulwama. It was a brief exchange of fire between the militants and the security forces, and we are picking that some two militants have been neutralized by the security forces. Although the forces are still there on the spot, the withdrawal has not taken place, but we are getting confirmation from our sources that the two militants have been gunned down, and also the reports were coming in that the militants who were trapped are from JEM. But we need to wait for the official confirmation, particularly what the Jammu and Kashmir police will have to tell about this very encounter. It was a brief exchange of fire, and also the anti-militancy operations is seeing a spike in South Kashmir. Yesterday it was in Tral, and today again the same district, Pulwama, was launched with the anti-militancy operation, where security forces got success by killing and neutralizing these militants.
All right, so more of these encounters that have been reported, especially from Pulwama area, Zeenat, because as far as the operations are concerned, it is now being said that it is over for now, though there were only two terrorists who were trapped and now they have been neutralized?
Yes, two terrorists have been neutralized by the security forces. All the four security forces are still on spot. The withdrawal has not taken place because the initial information that was coming in was that there are three militants. But now two have been neutralized by the security forces, and it's coming as a success for the forces, because there hasn't been any huge collateral damage, although one army Jawan has been injured who have been evacuated for treatment. But so far we are seeing that two terrorists have been gunned down by the security forces in Kangan Pulwama operation.
Zeenat, thanks very much for the moment. So a huge success for our security forces neutralizing two terrorists belonging to the Jaish-e-Mohammed. This encounter that has been reported from Pulwama in the valley, operations for now is over.